Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A91 and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up our settings app and from here scroll down to, it's going to be under additional settings. Scroll down to backup and reset, and from here factory or reset to factory settings, and then the third option, erase all data. Tap on erase all data and once more. Now I will also mention that if you have some kind of pattern, PIN, password, whatever, one of those things, some fingerprint, you will need to confirm it before you can progress with this, but I don't, so it just allows me to do this without any kind of confirmation there. And once I tap on it, it's going to begin the process. Now this is going to take a couple minutes, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the setup is finished, or well, the reset is finished, and you can now set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.